I have spent so much money. Okay, I have cosmetics, I have random stuff, I have clothing, snacks, and designer. And we're gonna start with cosmetics. Because this video is gonna be a little bit longer, you have to watch the full version on YouTube. Let's start with shampoo and conditioner. I've got the End Honey Deep Moist Shampoo and the End Honey Deep Moist Treatment. I loved this so much, so I had to get this again. I've also got the Fino hair mask, and I've also wanted to try a new one, so I got the Tsubaki hair mask. I heard that this one is even better. For cosmetic, I didn't even get that much. It's not that much. I've got the Kiss Me mascara in black and brown. I love this mascara. I've also got these very famous eye drops. Love them. Then I got this little hair thingy for your flyaways, which was very popular on TikTok. Then I got the mini size Tier red cushion. I really wanted to try it, so I've got the mini version. Then I've got this Can Make Tokyo Glow Fleur Cheeks, which is a highlighter. It looks like a blush, but it's a highlighter. Very pretty though. And I've got from Jill Stewart a lip serum balm and a lipstick. And they're so pretty, and I got my name engraved right here. And then I also got two perfumes from Disneyland. The bottle is so pretty. It's a very fresh scent, but very floral, fresh, sweet. It's just very refreshing in a way. Let's continue with random stuff. And first I'm gonna start off with Ghibli. Or Ghibli. This tote bag, so cute with the little pin on it. I can't, it's adorable. Then I have this card set. I've already owned one, but this one is from Princess Mononoke. Then I have a Totoro Uno and this little towel that matches my outfit pretty perfectly today. And there's one more button from Kiki and this little keychain. And I've also got those little Totoro stones. I've already have 4, but I wanted more. Let's continue with Disney stuff. First I have this Tokyo Disneyland macaron box. It's very cute. I don't know what to do with it, but it's cute. Obviously some mini ears, so cute. Matched my outfit really well. I've also got some pins. I have this one and this one. I got 2 just in case I want to sell it in 50 years, I don't know. And a random pin collection one on the bag. I really don't want these 2. It's the Chip and Dale one. I got lucky. And the last random things I've got is this headband, some One Piece stickers, a little keychain, a lot of magnets, this one to attract money for my matcha obsession, a Pokemon buildable, and this one, super pretty, also matches my outfit really well today. Let's go with food and snacks. I've got a few different matcha lattes. Then I have this Starbucks Sakura Strawberry Latte. I've never tried it. I don't even know if there's coffee inside, but got that one. Then I have different chocolates. I have those cookie matcha chocolates, some macadamia chocolate, and these ones are actually really delicious from 7-Eleven. It's like matcha chocolate and inside it's like a cake, kind of. Then, oh my god, I have to show you. This is Baumkuchen. This is Baumkuchen. Then I've got this chocolate, which I already opened because I can control myself. These are very good. These are just so-so. Obviously, I also got the famous jelly. Very delicious. Fancy matcha. Then I've also got this one from Rilakkuma. It's so cute. It's a matcha latte set, kind of. This one is the small version with just a shaker. I want to give this to someone, but I don't know who yet. And this one is the same one, but with a milk matcha bottle. It's so cute. I hope it's good though. And lastly, from Disney, I got 2 different kinds of cookies. Now, clothing. First, I've got this set, super cute. It's a long skirt with a jacket. Then I've got this shirt. This was more expensive actually, but I thought it would be so cute in Disneyland, but I ended up wearing something else. Then I've got something see-through, because Japanese fashion is all about layering and see-through stuff at the moment, I feel like. So I've got this one, super adorable. Then I have another set which I'm really excited about. It's a bit different, I feel like. So first you have this basic shirt dress, which also comes with a skirt, so it's not see-through, which is great. And on top you have this black dress with lace, also see-through, and it's longer than the white dress. It looks very nice. And then I also got this really random jacket from Uniqlo that you can make very small. And now the highlight, the designer bag. Even though I think everything was kind of a highlight for me, but this one was the most expensive one for sure. So I went vintage shopping in Japan, and it took me a while to find something. It's not what I originally wanted, but somehow I just really liked it, so I just got it anyways. I got a Dior from the early 2000s. This is her. I was looking for a bag in this size, and she is so perfect. Like, she fits my style very nicely. She's simple but cute, perfect shape, very spacious. It's black though. I didn't want a black bag, but black goes with everything, right? So yeah, she's mine, and I spent way too much money. And that's it for my Japan haul.